This is a Casablanca Four Seasons from May of 1989. It is in the antique white finish with light oak blades, which are semi-gloss. I guess that's normal. And it's 3-speed, which is... People say it's rare, but it's not really that rare because I've seen a bunch of these in 3-speed already. I actually went pretty far for this. I usually don't go that far for just 4 seasons or something. But I really wanted a 3-speed 4 seasons in antique white for a long time, and I think it's worth it to me. But at first, I didn't really like the combo of antique white and light oak, but I'm really liking it now. And I think this will replace my antique white Delta 2 in my laundry room right now. And I'm going to put the K4B on the Delta 2 on this, which I think will look pretty cool. It's also pretty special that this 1989 fan has 1988 pointed tip blades. So let's start this fan up on low speed. Oops, I forgot to turn the power on. That's not low speed. Here's low speed. This fan has a new flywheel that was put on by the previous owners. And it is in... There's some scratches on the finish because antique white is a pretty fragile finish. But the fan is in perfect balance, which is pretty rare to see. And it's overall in really good shape. The bearings are good, yeah. This fan came from a lake house in Ludington, Michigan. It was a very expensive lake house. And in the master bedroom were 2 of these 4 seasons. One of the 4 seasons had a broken flywheel because it's a 1989 fan. So that's kind of obvious. And this one has a replaced flywheel for that exact reason. When the newer owners moved over here, this one already had a replaced flywheel, and that one, the flywheel went out a couple months ago. So they wanted the fans to match, so they replaced them both with Walmart things, which is really sad. But at least I get their fans, so that's pretty good. The owners live in Illinois, and next time they come up to their lake house, they are going to give me the second broken 4 seasons. Here's medium. This was the down rod that came with. It's 2 feet long. It was a really nice install. What's pretty special about these 3-speed late 5-blade 4 seasons is that they have the tag from an earlier Casablanca, because the later 4 seasons, they had the lettering on them was, I guess, later. And I have my white one over here to show you. If you can see, the 4 seasons the font is small. But on this, the font is the older, big font. It's the big font, maybe you can see it. There you go. And the logo is also straight. Like, it's in a line. The later ones, I think from 1985 onwards, they all have the curvy thing going on. No matter if it's 3-speed, IT, or CT, something like that. Or SQ. Now for high speed. It's quite powerful. And yeah, it's really nice. Off. And spin down halfway. It's a 48-inch fan. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.